Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about Laravel Artisan and Thinker. What is Laravel Artisan is? Laravel Artisan is the command line interface included with Laravel. It provides a number of commands that can help you while you build your application easily. And what is Thinker is? Thinker is one of the Artisan commands. Let's see some Artisan commands first, then we will discuss about Thinker also. Let's open our Laravel app. Here it is. Make sure your server is running. Then we will go to root, open our project file. Then from here, we will right click. You will find a terminal option. Click here. That will open your terminal and you can see your project name. And let's make this font a little bit bigger for better visibility. Settings, from here, font, let's make it 20. Save setting, yes. So let's introduce with some Laravel commands. First of all, for writing Artisan commands, you have to write PHP Artisan, then your command, right? So we want to see a list of commands. So we will just write PHP Artisan and hit enter. You will see the response and a ton of commands. Here you can see it says available commands about db, docs, down, env, auth, and here is make commands. We will be using make commands a lot. Then here is migrations, models, notification, optimize, and many more. Majority file creation and other stuff like creating migrations, controller, and events and other stuff, we will use command line interface or Artisan commands for make our work more easy and fast. Now let's write a new command. Let's say PHP Artisan serve. So let's enter it. You can see a server is running. Previously we saw how can we serve our application via Laravel. This is the default server powered by Laravel. You can use that command for serve your application. Obviously we will use Laravel for serve our application. This is for just knowing purpose. Let's copy this URL. Then we will go to our browser and paste it here. Enter, and you can see in this URL our application is serving. Now we can just stop our server. Now if you want to know anything about a command, you can do it like PHP Artisan serve. Let's say I need to know details option about serve command. You can just pass another parameter called -h. H mean help. Enter, and you can see the additional options that provided by serve. Let's clear here. Now let's see another command, PHP Artisan route list. That will show you the route list of your entire application. When you build a app, we register a ton of routes. So here is a route command that lists all the routes for you for better view. Now let's talk about Thinker. Let's run PHP Artisan, enter. Then you will find out here is a command called Thinker, and in the description you can see interact with your application. By Thinker shell, you can interact your current application easily. Like now let's run our Thinker command, PHP Artisan Thinker, enter, and you can see we are in a shell. From here we can run any kind of PHP command or Laravel command in it. Like for example, if I say 7 into 9, enter, you can see the result. And then again 7 is equals to 7, enter, is true. Now let's say strlen hello world, enter, you can see the length of this string. Let's clear. We can also run Laravel stuff here, like if I say view welcome and then enter, we can see we get a instance illuminate view. So what is this? Basically this is the resource view. We are calling this view. If I want to render the HTML in it, so I can say return view welcome, then render, enter. Now we can see the HTML has been rendered here. Now clear it. Let's run another commands from Laravel. So let's say I have a string called hello world and I want to make a slag of it. So Laravel comes with some great helpers to make your life more easy. So we can call str slag hello world and press enter. We can see we generated a slag here. Basically str slag is a Laravel helper, but now we can access it via Artisan Thinker, because Thinker is interacting with our Laravel application. In future we will see how can we use Thinker more efficiently, like debug our application or creating fake datas and many more. For this video, that's all. See you at the